Welcome to Madison College's Executive Functioning Minute, Episode 2. Today, we're going to talk about organizing emails. If your inbox looks like mine, it feels a bit like this when you open Outlook. So start off by making folders for organizing important things to keep. Might I suggest a folder for Disability Resource Services, a folder for each class that you take, and anything else that you notice is a category of emails that you get often. Don't skip this important step. Then, scan through those emails and delete anything that doesn't need a response or follow-up. Keeping unread emails or perhaps emails you've opened and aren't necessary to read again will clog up your inbox and be incredibly overwhelming. Now, emails that you may read again but do not require action can be moved to those folders that you just set up. Respond to everything that can be answered immediately. Apply the concept from business known as Ohio. Only handle it once. If it's junk, delete it. If you can respond in less than a few seconds with a simple yes or confirmation, do so immediately. And now for the tricky ones. The emails that require you to do something. I like using a flagging system, so I have a visual reminder that this email needs me to do something. But I know my brain needs more than just a flag, so I also use sticky notes. Write down what needs to be done, when it needs to be done by, and who needs to know when this task has been completed. Once you've completed the task, email the appropriate people and remove the flag. And for me, I get to throw away the sticky note, which gives me a sense of accomplishment. Make sure that you write it down, or set a reminder or an alarm that tells you to check your emails every day. Yep, this is an everyday task. Once you practice the system, you'll get pretty quick at doing this, and emails all of a sudden won't seem so overwhelming. Create your system and stick to it. You got this. Remember, the Madison College Disability Resource Services team is here to help. Until next time.